In this video, we will show you how your LG refrigerator makes it easy to adjust and remove your shelves and door bins' height and position to better suit your food storing needs. It is important to clear out and empty your shelves and door bins before attempting to remove them. To reposition or remove any of the bins from the inside door, grab each end of any bin with both hands, lift up and out from the support mount. These support mounts are located along the sides of the inside door. To remount the bin, simply do the opposite. Slide the bin on top of your desired mounting support and push down until the bin is fully seated. Make sure the bin's support joint is holstered correctly on the support mount as shown here. To remove the very bottom bin, it is best to remove the bin directly above it for clearance. Pinch each end to lift it up and out from the support mount. Do the opposite to reinstall. If your refrigerator model has a dairy bin or folding bin, the same method can be applied. The two can also be repositioned on the opposing side if needed. If you're having difficulty removing any of the bins, with one hand firmly hold one end and with the other gently tap the bottom of the bin loose, then lift and remove. To remove and reposition your top adjustable refrigerator shelf, simply lift the shelf up and out until it clears the mounting supports along the side and center of the refrigerator cavity. To remount the shelf, do the opposite. To remove and reposition the middle shelf, grab each end with both hands and fully extend outward until it clears the support rails, then lift up and out. To reinstall, do the opposite. Make sure the mount's set onto the support rails for proper placement. Then push the shelf backward until it is seated properly. In order to remove the crisper drawers, fully extend them out, then lift up and out. Note, it may be easier to remove the door bins to allow for additional clearance. Do the opposite to reinstall. The Glide and Serve drawer is the last to be removed from the refrigerator. Fully extend the drawer, lift the lid, and with both hands on each end, lift up and out. When the bins and shelves have been removed, these items can now be hand washed using soap and water. Make sure all pieces are completely dry before reinstalling them back into place. When remounting the drawer, test the Glide to make sure the movement and placement is fluid. Readjust if needed. Next, to remove the freezer pull-out drawer, fully extend the freezer door out, place both hands on each end, tilt and lift out the drawer. Lastly, tilt and lift out the freezer bin. With these removed, you can now wash and dry them thoroughly. When reinstalling, make sure the freezer bin mounting tab, shown here, is properly seated in the support mount when putting it back into place. When reinstalling the pull-out drawer, set the wheel in a vacated slot with the drawer slightly tilted upward and push back into place. You will know it has been seated correctly when the drawer is able to move freely. Once everything is properly reinstalled, use the sliding dividers to organize and maximize your food space for a more comfortable feel. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.